Review for today, Dow Jones 30. Okay, so we had the Feds have their monthly meeting yesterday, and obviously the results of that meeting, the market wasn't overly excited about, and we had some profit taking. I'm just calling it profit taking for now because there is no confirmation that there's a trend change. It could be there, but we will only trade when we see confirmation. So at this stage, the trend is still up, and I think you can't really argue with that. The trend is definitely to the upside. We do have a fairly interesting trend line here, which would need to be breached and retested on the daily for that to happen. If we start drilling down on the lower time frames, obviously we're going to need to see a new low, okay, and then a lower high, and then we'll start rolling, and that will give us our confirmation. So for now, I think we'll talk about the structure here on the lower time frames. What we're looking for is levels. Let me just zoom out quickly. There's the levels there that we're waiting for. That's the first level. And I just want to swing to the left. Okay. Just zoom in so you see. It's going to be a bit messy. Anyway, what I'm looking for is to pick up these levels here. Let's do it on the daily. You can see exactly what I'm doing. Right. So you can see these swing lows here. They are fairly important. There's one right there. And not doing it exact, sort of just guesstimating somewhere in the middle of all the price action just to get a feel for roughly where those levels are. So those are our levels at the moment. Okay, let's get down to the hour. That's the one we're really interested in. So firstly, we had structure, shoulder, head, shoulder, and we've now had the breakout. So what you need to automatically assume is that this head and shoulders will play out, okay, and it takes us straight on to a level. Okay, you can see this is the target. We're fairly close to this area here. So that's my first area. Right, so first area I'm looking for buyers is this level right here at 26392. If that fails, I'm looking at 26018 or 2600 probably is a better bet. And you can see we need to add another little level in here because we've got this structure here at 25831. Okay, and then if you look, I'm going to add them in because you need to know exactly what you're looking for. Here's another area of support, potential support here. Okay, and you can see what I'm doing is resistance, 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 bounce off, resistance, support, 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 and then breakthrough. And the same here, resistance, resistance, breakthrough. Okay, breakthrough, support, support, support. Okay, so what you're looking for is a revisit of one of these breakout levels. And there are quite a few of them, which is why I've got them drawn in, right? So it's 26392, we have 26018, we have 25831, and then right at the bottom we've got 25526, and even further down, which would be 25294. 25294 would be a very interesting area for me because that would come down to the trend line. Okay, now if we just go like this and I draw another trend line along the top like that. Okay, so you can see we're pretty much in a channel and we are trending to the upside. So I'm just waiting for this this pullback to finish, and then we'll be looking for longs again. So looking at the 15-minute, it does look ominous on the 15-minute, doesn't it? That we are trending down, and there's nothing wrong. If you're a 15-minute trader, you'd be trading these breaks and retests. So you can see there's a break of a level there. There's a retest. You can see the tails on this area. Let me just put that in. So you see what I'm talking about. So there's support. We broke through it, came back, turning it into resistance. You can see all these tails here, all these tails, all these tails. The entry is below these bars here. We'll stop above it. and you're looking for the next level. There's your next level, and you can see all these tails. There's a buying opportunity to go back up, pretty much to test breakouts again. Anyway, so the strategy works pretty much on any time frame. I just prefer to be on the hour. It just gives me a little bit more leeway that I can actually get on with life, and I don't need to sit and stare at charts all the time. But you can do it on the 15-minute. You can also do it on the 5-minute. So there's no reason why testing of breakouts. And you can see here, there's the level of support there, broke through. I'm looking for a retest. There's my retest. And you can see all these 5-minute bars, can't get through there. So I'm looking for a break below here, stop above it, next level. There you can see double bottom, inside bar, pin bar. There's a long coming, and there's your long. Then you can see pin bar, inside bar, pin bar, engulfing bar, another engulfing bar, off a level, not getting to the level, and short it is. So anyway, guys, point I'm making is that the breakouts and retests is probably one of the safest ways to trade. And you only want to be selling off resistance, and you want to be buying off support. So what I'm looking to do is buy off support, and I'm looking to buy off support on the hour, which is 26,392 is my first level. Then if that fails, we'll look at 2600, and then if that fails, we will look at 25,831, and then alternately 25,526. Trend is up. This to me is pretty much just it's a retracement, consolidation, and a bit of a retracement, and it's in the session that I don't really pay much attention to, which is the Asian session. So we'll be patient and wait for this. I think your setups to the upside are going to start materializing pretty soon. So just be patient and watch carefully. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps. If you're still listening, thanks so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We do this every day. And give us a thumbs up so we can grow the channel. And even better, leave us a comment. Appreciate any input from fellow traders that's out there. Okay. Enjoy the day. We'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.